If your credit score is struggling, I've been there. 6 months ago, I was sitting at 540. Now, I'm at 750. No credit repair agency, no magic tricks, just real, consistent steps anyone can follow. Let me walk you through exactly what I did. Step 1: pulled my full credit report. Before you fix anything, you need to know what's broken. I went to annualcreditreport.com and pulled all 3 of my credit reports for free. I looked through everything: late payments, charge-offs, collections, hard inquiries. It was overwhelming, but necessary. Light bulb tip number 1. Check all 3 bureaus: Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. They often show different info. Step 2: disputed inaccuracies. I noticed a couple of errors. A paid-off card still marked as unpaid and a duplicate collection. I filed online disputes directly through each bureau. It took a few weeks, but one negative item got removed. That alone gave me a quick score bump. Pushpin tip number 2. Use certified mail for serious disputes. Keep records of everything. Step 3: paid off small balances. Next, I focused on credit utilization. I had a few cards with low balances, $200, $500. I paid those off first and brought every card below 30% usage. This alone jumped my score about 40 points. Step 4: became an authorized user. This one was a game changer. I asked my cousin, who has perfect credit, to add me as an authorized user on her oldest credit card. I didn't touch the card, but her history showed up on my report, and my credit age and available limit went up. Revolving light tip number 3: make sure the person pays on time. Their history becomes yours. Step 5: set up auto pay and never miss a payment. From there, I became militant about paying on time. I set up auto pay for every bill, credit cards, utilities, even subscriptions. Payment history is 35% of your score. That consistency changed everything. Light bulb tip number 4: use reminders too. Late payments can stay on your report for 7 years. Step 6: added a credit builder card. I also opened a secured credit card with a $300 deposit. This helped me build a new, positive history. I used it only for gas and paid it off in full. Credit card tip number 5. Recommend credit builder cards. Self, Chime, Discover It Secured. Bonus: I didn't do these things. What I didn't do: I didn't hire a credit repair company. I didn't close old cards. I didn't apply for more credit. I kept it simple and stuck to what worked. Results: 6 months later, my score hit 750. Not because I'm lucky, because I was consistent. You can do it too. If this helped you, like this video, and subscribe for more real money strategies.